The video clip demonstrates one way to square a building site. This technique can be used to help position small to medium-sized buildings on a site and to keep building components aligned during construction. In our example, the site length and width are equal. The first step in squaring any site is to measure and stake one side. In this instant, an existing building is used as a beginner point. This side will not be changed. It serves as a reference for squaring the remaining sides. To prevent injury or interference with the stakes, set the stakes a few feet beyond the length and width of your building. Use a string line as a guide when positioning a building on the site. Once you have staked the first side, measure the length for the next side and temporarily mark the location using a stake. Tie a string between the stakes as shown. To set the corner angle at 90 degrees, measure 3 foot along the first side and mark the position on the string line. Move to the second leg of the angle and measure 4 foot along the string line. With assistance, hold the tape measure between the marks. Move the stake with the attached string line as needed until the mark on the string line intersects with the 5 foot dimension on the tape measure. Drive the stake and recheck the dimensions. The corner angle is now set at 90 degrees. For long buildings and sites, use multiples of 3, 4, and 5. Such as a 9, 16, and 25 is recommended. Next, measure the distance between the stakes and set the last stake and string lines. Finally, with assistance, measure between the corners diagonally. The site is square when the diagonal measurements are identical. Adjust the final stake as needed. Remember, taking the time to square a site before you begin saves construction time and prevents delays during the building process. The next time you begin a project, use this simple technique to square your site and building.